Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video, I'm gonna open my first ever Trendmood box. A Trendmood box is not a subscription box. It's just a curated box and they launch randomly. And they contain 4 to 5 items, or the website says they contain 4 to 5 items of new brands, like up and coming brands. So it's kind of cool because you get to try everything first, and on top of that, you get it at somewhat of a discount as well. The boxes are first come, first serve, and they pretty much always sell out or have always sold out. That is why this is my first one, is because I'm too lazy to check my emails in a timely manner, and I always miss it. But I set an alarm in my phone this time, and I got this one. Each person can only buy one box, so even though they sell out, they do have a limit and you can only get one box, so I feel like that's pretty fair, but of course they just don't have enough for the demand, so that's how they sell out. The box is US only and it ships for free in the contiguous US, which is all of the 48 connected US states. For Alaska and Hawaii, there's separate shipping charges, but I don't know too much about that because I don't live in Alaska or Hawaii. This is volume 4, so I guess it's the 4th box. They did have also a brand takeover box, so maybe it's the 5th box. I don't know which one was first or second, but I definitely wanted to get this one because there's a little mini troll inside, and I know that's not even have anything to do with the makeup, but they have the pure Trolls palettes in the box. Before you get the box, you know every single item that's in it. Watch, it's gonna be pink. Oh, he smashed! He's purple! I don't know why, I think this is just like literally the cutest. Look at them, they're just so weird and cute, and why not? Now let's get into the actual products. My excitement is still high because there are some really good products in here, but I do know what they all are. Because these are fairly new, they probably don't really have reviews, so I'm not gonna do all the research on reviews, but I'll probably still research the ingredients. And hi Candy! Did you sneeze so I knew you were here? Come here! Hi, good morning. I have a visitor. I think she was maybe hearing my excitement about the trolls and decided she wanted to come in here. So back to the box. I guess I'll swatch them too if you want to see swatches. I'm not good at swatching. Probably not going to put it on my face because it's like pretty early and I just did this whole makeup look. So first we have this KimChi Highlighter palette. Wow, they have some cool, is it all highlighter? They have some cool colors. Like green highlighter. It's a shame St. Patrick's Day just like ended because that would have been super cool, although all I did was stay home. So this is cool. I really like the packaging. This is like cool too, how it has all this alphabet, but then it's just like drama queen, and it's called the Unboring Highlighter Palette. The shades in the photo are definitely darker than the shades in the pan. If you can see, like especially that red, that green, that yellow, like literally all of them. I don't know why I said especially, but I don't know swatched what it's gonna look like. To this bronzy one, that one's kind of like the most white, pink, green. I guess this one would be kind of like your average highlighter, and then these would be more like fun highlighters. It does look like it's a cruelty-free brand, which I love. They have a really nice feel to them, so I feel like the application would be pretty easy. And then blending them out, you can see you can get kind of like subtle colors from them as well. That green and red and this like bronzy color are still pretty dark, but the other ones are looking pretty nice. Next we have a sunscreen, and this one is First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. It's one of my like top brands, I would say, is skincare, and it's a weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. I pretty much only use mineral sunscreens now. They're better for our coral reefs. If you have not seen my video, that's like what products I avoid for the environment. One of the products that I avoid are chemical sunscreens. So I'm pretty excited for this because I will definitely use it. And it also says safe for sensitive skin, which most mineral sunscreens are much better for sensitive skin. This says dermatologist tested and fragrance free. I also avoid fragrance. So all in all, I'm really loving this. Usually I do anything from this brand anyway. Oh, it has some color to it too. So it's pretty like liquidy. I wonder if I could wear that like in place of foundation even. It does have a scent that I don't love. It's kind of like an oil smell, or like the smell of unscented like hairspray. It's not bad because it's pretty light, but I probably wouldn't put it on my face. I'll definitely just use it on my body. The next product I found is Kora Organics Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum. So noni is a fruit. It's really popular actually for its like healing properties. I'm gonna put this one in here so we can smell it. It smells like nutty and floral at the same time. Definitely doesn't smell bad, but I wouldn't be like, oh wow, that's such a pleasant smell, but that's good because it probably means it's fragrance free, which means it doesn't have all these like toxic chemicals in it. So I love that. It does say that 99.8% are natural and that 70.9% are from organic farming. This is also cruelty free. It has this little blurb that says our special ingredient noni is derived from the noni fruit. It is a powerful superfood and an antioxidant containing more than 100 vitamins and minerals and is known for its natural rejuvenating properties. It says our products are energized with rose quartz, a crystal believed to carry a soothing energy to encourage love and acceptance of ourselves and others. By energizing our products with rose quartz, we infuse the vibration of love into Kora Organics and onto you. I'm not really a crystal person, but if it doesn't hurt me, I don't see what's the big deal of trying it, right? If it works, it works. That's all that matters. The next product is from Bite Beauty, and this is an intensive lip mask. Okay, so this whole time I was trying to take this thing off, but it has one of those little things that you like poke it and then it opens it. So I don't feel like I was the smartest human. Oh, it's really thick. Wow, this is like super thick. Actually, I have lip gloss on my lips right now, so I'm not gonna put it on, but this is like honey consistency. And that would be really nice for a lip mask as long as it doesn't contain wax or silicones or fragrance. I'm not a big fan of the lip sleeping mask that everyone loves, the like Laneige lip sleeping mask. It does contain all the things that I would not want to put on my lips while I'm sleeping and letting them breathe. It also contains fragrance, which is even worse. Like there's no need for that. They're just doing it so that it smells like fruits or whatever. So I do try to avoid fragrance when I can. So most of the time I use like just straight lip oils, but let's see what this one has. Right away I see cocoa seed butter, which is definitely a good hydrator. This also has shea butter, another good hydrator in there. Sunflower seed oil, but this says aroma flavor. I don't really like it when anything says something like that. So this also contains wax, but they're both vegan waxes. It looks based on the ingredients like this is a vegan product. I don't know if they have that listed anywhere. Of course they do. It's down here. Vegan and gluten-free. It has vanilla extract in it and it kind of does taste like vanilla. I just like randomly tasted it because I wondered if it had a good smell or taste. Then we have another item from Bite Beauty, and this is the Line and Define Lip Primer with kiwi and jackfruit extracts. It doesn't have a color, so that's interesting. Okay, so there is no color. Let's put it underneath our other lip product. It has zero color to it. You might not even be able to see it right there, but it has like a different texture. It's like slightly sticky, which I guess is how you would line your lips so your lipstick were to stay inside of those lines. It also has kind of a peppermint scent to it. Let's check out the ingredients really quick. Again, this one uses vegan waxes, so it is safe to use on my lips. I still don't like to use vegan waxes like a lot, but I definitely prefer to use them over beeswax. I definitely got that peppermint smell right. It says it has peppermint oil. It does say titanium dioxide, which is technically a mineral sunscreen as well. So hopefully it's protecting your lips as well as keeping your lines in line. The last brand is the Pure brand, and we got 3 different troll palettes. The first one is Techno, which is blue, if I can get it out of its box. Come on. This is the Techno palette. That middle color looks like it's gonna be awesome. I should be murdered for how bad my swatches are. Please don't murder me, though. I can't even wait to show you this color. Hold on, one more to go. That is literally gorgeous. So these swatches make me look like super incompetent over here, but look at these shimmers on this side. Cause like, wow, that blue and that gold, I feel like I need that as eyeliner like every single day. Moving on to the second troll palette. This one is classical music. And this is the inside of the classical palette. Obviously it is kind of just like neutral tones, which I guess is how we got that classical name. Whoa. I'm not even expecting these to be as, like, looking at them in the pan, you wouldn't expect them to be as bright as they end up on the skin. And we have like a light peachy tone, this dark one, and then our shimmers again are like super cool. The last palette is the Funk palette. Everybody knows I'm gonna like this one the best. Not everybody, but you should know. I don't know actually, because this one was like, it had a variety of colors for techno. Funk is like definitely all purple. They're swatching so nicely. I mean, like, if I was good at swatching, these would look really good because they feel really good. Okay, like, don't murder me, but also murder me, because like these swatches are so bad. Out of the three palettes though, even though the purples are my favorite colors, I feel like the formula of the purples didn't have the best feel. I'm gonna guess that this is a vegan palette, and that would be why it's really hard to make purples and reds in a vegan formula. Like, it just is. It's really hard to make purples in general, to be honest, but it's even harder to make them in a vegan formula. And so I'm gonna guess that's why they had kind of like a different feel to them. But let's go check out the ingredients. So everything is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and fragrance-free. So that is probably why this one had a little bit of a different formula. Since I've heard about Pure, it's been one of my favorite brands. I'm really glad it's in this box. I like love these. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with them. If you want to see me do an eye look with them, I totally will, but usually if I do a makeup video on here, nobody cares about it. Like, everybody wants to see the subscription box unboxings, which I don't mind. I know I'm not the best at makeup anyway, but if you want to see a look done with these palettes, like if you're not seeing them by other people that are better than me at doing makeup, I would be happy to do a look or two. We got these like cute little cards, this like how to use the highlighters. This is a little bit more about the lip balm and the lip liner keeper. And then a little bit from Kora too, explaining their product, and just like a little thank you note, which is a really cool touch, to be honest. That's like 3 of the 5 brands that just like left a little card in there as well, which is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about the Trendmood box. Do you like that it's not a subscription? I don't feel like I like that part, but let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite of the Trolls palette, Techno, Classical, which is like, I have to bend this way for you to see it all, or Funk. You know, I don't know. I think this one. Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.